In a peaceful Buddhist monastery high in the Mishti mountains of Tibet, monks lived in harmony, practicing meditation and kindness. Their crimson and saffron robes flowed like rivers of wisdom, and prayer flags fluttered in the wind. But one day, a serpent slithered into their sanctuary, not a real one, but a man named Khenpo, whose words were venom. He spoke with anger, sowed doubt, and disturbed the peace. The monks, troubled by Khenpo's words, sought the guidance of Master Rinzan, an elderly monk with a serene face, wrapped in a deep maroon robe. He listened patiently as they spoke of the man's harshness. "A toxic tongue is like a serpent's whisper," Rinzan said. "But tell me, my students, what do you do when a serpent crosses your path?" A young monk named Tenzin bowed. "Master, we step aside, for the serpent bites only those who provoke it." Rinzan nodded. "And so, my children, step aside from those who spread poison. Do not engage, do not drink their venom." Another monk, Sonam, asked, "But Master, his words fill my heart with anger. How do I remain unaffected?" Rinzan took him to a still lake. "Strike the water," he instructed. Sonam did, and ripples distorted the reflection. When disturbed, the lake loses clarity. But watch. As Sonam stilled, so did the lake. The reflection became clear again. Be still like the lake. When you are calm, their words cannot shake you. One day, Khenpo confronted Rinzan. "Why do your monks ignore me? Are they too weak to answer?" Rinzan smiled and held up an empty cup. "If I offer you this cup, but you do not take it, to whom does it belong?" Khenpo frowned. "To you, of course." "Exactly. Your anger is like this cup. If we do not accept it, it remains yours." Khenpo left, realizing his words held no power over those who refused to drink his poison. The monks continued their peaceful way, their spirits untouched. Master Rinzan turned to his students and said, "A serpent may hiss, but it cannot bite those who walk another path." And so, they learned true strength is not in fighting toxicity, but in choosing not to be poisoned. What powerful lessons we get from the story. 1. Toxic people thrive on your reaction, take away their power. Just like a serpent only bites when provoked, toxic people lose their grip when ignored. Choose silence over reaction. 2. Your mind is like a still lake, don't let others disturb its clarity. Negative people will try to stir your emotions. But like a calm lake, true strength lies in keeping your peace. 3. You don't have to accept someone's poison, leave their anger with them. Just as refusing a gift leaves it with the giver, refusing negativity keeps you free from its poison. 4. Walking away is not weakness, it's wisdom. The monks chose a different path instead of engaging with Khenpo's toxicity. Walking away from negativity is an act of self-respect. 5. Be the peace others can't disturb. Toxic people only have control if you allow them to. Master Rinzan showed that true power is in remaining unshaken.